So here I'm for another trading recap. So as you can see, this was the trade that I wanted to take, but I did not took a trade. So let's talk about why and let's talk about why I wanted to take shorts. So let's talk about that. So before the New York market open, we had on the one session we had a Judas swing here, we had a sweep of the Asian high, and we had a bearish reaction here with this big wick, and then we gone lower. Then we just mitigated this gap and then started going higher again. But still, when we sweep the high of the Asian session, I expect the New York session to be bearish. So on the New York session, I was bearish and I was waiting to take shorts. So it was very simple. Just uh, we either just respect this gap, this bearish gap, and would continue going lower, and I would want to take shorts there, or I would wait to see a sweep of an important high to take a short. So here we had a sweep of the London high, we did not add any reaction, so I just waited to see a sweep of this other very important high inside of the 1 hour fair value gap. So for me it is a very high confluence sweep. We have a bearish gap here, we have a liquidity level here, this high, so we have a lot of liquidity here. So for me it's a very high confluence sweep, so I just waited to see the sweep. So here we swept the high, we had a reaction right after. As you can see, we we had these weeks, then we had more weeks, and then we started going lower. I just marked two very important levels, this first bullish order gap and this other one. And first we just inverted the first gap, but because we were very bullish still, as you can see, we have been very bullish lately. As you can see, I just waited to wait for further confirmation, and I just said to myself, I would be bearish and want to take shorts if we have a candle closure below this low, disrespecting, of course, this other bullish order gap. And here we rejected to close below. We inverted the gap, but still I wanted to see a candle closure below this week, and then here we had. So I just put my entry here, but I wanted to take a short before we had the sweep here because we were still very bullish, so we might just sweep here after that and just continue going higher. So we had a sweep, I waited more, but the price just spent like 10 minutes here, and I said to myself, alright, the price is just looks like it doesn't want to go to my entry, and because we have already swept this low, I started to lose some confidence on shorts there. So I just stopped the limit order that I had here, and as you can see, the price right after gone to my entry and then started going lower as expected. I supposedly had my TP1 here, TP2 here, and my full TP at the London Wall. So it would be a decent trade entry here. It gone to my TP1, so could have been good profits, decent profits, but still I just said that if we have a sweep here before we have the my entry, I would just not want to take shorts. I was not confident after the sweep because, as you saw, we were very bullish. We had this sweep, but still we were very bullish. So we could just sweep this low and then started going higher. So if we did not add a sweep here, I would, with confidence, take a short here and would just wait to see the mitigation of my entry. But because we had the sweep here, I just decided that the best was to not take a trade there. But as you can see, it gone as I wanted my entry and then TP1, but then it just reacted on the TP1 and started going higher again. So it is what it is, no trades for the day. So if you liked the video, like and subscribe. And yesterday I did not post the video because I did not took a trade. So I just did not upload the video. I did not saw a reason to record the video, but today, because we almost had a very good setup here, and because I almost entered a very good trade, I decided that the best was to upload a video today. But it is what it is, no trades for the day. So if you like the video, like and subscribe, and tomorrow I'll be back for another trading recap. So see you tomorrow.